chicken is cooking well. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we batch cooking. I hope you enjoy this type of videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. My friend, this is pundu. In Angola we call kizaka, but in the Congolese region they call pundu. There's so many ways that you can make these. You can make with dry fish, with the mixed dry and fresh fish. At the moment here I actually have cod. Yeah guys, but it will be a long video. It looks like I'm here waiting for somebody to come and drop something. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoy these type of videos. Don't forget to like I said, and subscribe to this channel so YouTube can recommend my videos to more people. So guys, it looks like I'm gonna spend a few hours in the kitchen today, but yeah, let's have fun, you know, keep me company. I've been craving for some wild chicken. I really don't like the supermarket chicken, you know, from Tesco. It's full of hormones and things, so I like the natural, you know, the free range. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to prepare her here. I'm going to season her very nicely, and I'll cook her today. I'm going to make muamba de dendai. Muamba de dendai is palm oil, you know, the pulp of the palm of the dendai. I don't know how do you say it, but in English, but I'll show you guys the tin as well. So I'm just washing the chicken here, and I'll be sterilizing her, if that's the word, with white vinegar and lemons and stuff. And normally I love sort of seasoning my meat, my protein a day before, you know, the night before, but I didn't have time. Yeah, so yeah guys, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and give us a follow as well on Instagram at Nutritious Styles. I need to burn every single feather. I am very scrimmage, guys. If I see any hairs, if I go to KFC or anywhere and I see that in my chicken has got any hairs, any feather, anything, I probably throw up. So it's imperative that I need to get rid of every single hair situation. So the easy way to sort this out is by doing what we do back home. Yeah, we just take the whole chicken to the stove and we try to get that burnt, you know. It's quite an effective way of doing it. It works. Yeah guys, if you like me, try it, because if I find any sort of hair in my food, oh my god, I won't be able to eat it. That's it.
Guys, I've been here over 2.5 hours, cleaning, cooking, cooking quite a lot. I mean, it's only two variations, but it's quite a lot, and I'll be eating for the next, like, I'll having these meals on the next 7 days. I'll alternate between rice, fufu, and plantain. I hope you enjoying this video so far, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's us be friends. I'll be making more videos more often. Yeah, it's a lovely day. My curtain literally dropped. I had to open the window slightly wider because it's really, really hot, and these new windows, they don't flip onwards. And every time I open the windows, the birds they do their business in the windows, and it's very hard to clean. So they're actually pretty dirty at the moment, but we're gonna have a video coming up doing more cleaning and stuff like that. I'm cooking. I did the dishes. I was going to say do the washing also, and done that. I just want to share with you what I'm going to use to actually put my food. Those are takeaway containers that I didn't throw it away. I think they're pretty good, especially the one from the Korean takeaway. It's like quite durable containers, and I am a bit of a hoarder. Guys, don't mind my eyebrows because I haven't done my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'll show you. See, it's two of these, two variations. Whenever I think from the Korean takeaway from Deliveroo, sometimes it comes in this one. Of course, has got lid. Has got lid, and I think it's pretty good to reuse them. Do you know what I mean? I think this one is for this one here. Yeah, so they're actually quite durable. These are microwavable. Yeah, I think this is quite durable, and these are microwavable. Yeah, and this one as well. So yeah, I've got these ones, but then I've got some others that I like very much. I like a lot. These ones here. I couldn't throw them away, so I just kept saving them, and I'm going to be placing my food. But guys, something is happening. My fridge is not like cold. I had the power cut. Was it like not yesterday, the day before, and now everything defrosted, and there's like it's not making any ice at all, and it feels a bit warm inside there. I had to take all the drawers and throw away everything because some of the meat, the blood start just and the fruits start going mushy, and like it's not stinky yet, so I just threw away everything. So we have got these ones. I'm just hoping that my fridge hasn't packed up, because I don't have extra £500 to go and get a fridge. Do you know what I mean? And my fridge is not old, it's fairly new. It's few years, no, maybe more. Yeah, maybe 4 years. Is it been 4 years? Not sure, but yeah. So those are those. I'm going to show you guys how far I am with my cooking, because my feet is hurting, absolutely hurting, standing all day, not all day, nearly 3 hours so far. My feet is hurting. That's how I used to stand on the shop floor with the 5 inches heels, and I never complained. I wonder how did I do it. But anyways, let's get back to business. Yeah, chicken is cooking well. I need to buy a pressure cooker. I mean a pressure pot, not pressure cooker. Is it pressure cooker? It's called. Yeah. So, because this is like a wild chicken, so it takes ages to cook properly. I like when it's falling off the bones. Yeah. Making progress, guys. Let me show you the dishes. I did the dishes. There's some here, a pile here, all the cups and glasses and whatnot. Then a bunch of plates, guys. You asked me, how can somebody just have all of these dishes to wash, and it's only me here at the moment. All of these dishes, but it's like, even if I'm peeling an orange, I'll grab a plate. It's crazy. So they're all clean, and I'll make sure they look all nice in a minute. And I did some washing. I put some here as well for these containers and stuff. Yeah. Fresh okra. Guys, I've been in the kitchen for 4 hours. My feet is burning. So we're going to put the palm nut soup in here. The okra is in there. Guys, tasty, fantastic. Garlic, onions. You guys saw everything that I put in there. All the seasoning, everything. So yeah, then I'll make the fufu and the rice as well. And another day I'll have plantain with it. Okay, so this is the other pot. Yeah, it doesn't look very nice, but it's very tasty. So food is done. I'm going to obviously have them in different containers so I can eat in different days with rice or fufu, whatever I desire. So here we go. This is the pundu. There's so many ways you can make these. It doesn't look very pretty, guys, but it's very tasty. And I believe the leaves is banana leaves,
and it's all like, you know, cut very, very fine. And yeah, guys, it's very healthy. It's so tasty. I cannot lie to you. It's so tasty. Ignore the look of it, but you know, African food sometimes it doesn't look very pretty, but once you try it, you're gonna want to be cooking these meals. I'm telling you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and smash that like button. The Mwamba di dendai is ready, guys. The smell here is unbelievable. I mean, you can just imagine the taste of this food. So now the other soup, sauce, whatever you call it, I'm going to dish out as well and have in different containers. And definitely have to let that cool down before you put that in your freezer or fridge, okay? Because, you know, of bacteria and stuff like that. And you don't want to damage your fridge as well or your freezer. Yes, so I'm just, you know, dishing out in separate containers. And like I said, I'll be eating in different days, either with rice or plantain or what have you. You know, so I made enough for 7 days. So I've got 7 days, a week worth of dinners for myself, and between I can have little snacks, different things if I don't feel like having it or whatnot. Hence why you have to, you know, put this in the freezer, because some days you're probably gonna fancy something else. Sometimes I like to have like a sandwich, egg sandwich with a salad, in a natural juice as well, like I start juicing as well. So yeah, it's very important that you perhaps have a freezer, so you can just, the day that you feel like, oh well, tomorrow I feel like having fufu, you have got your sauce, so you can just, the first start, I don't use a microwave, you know, I can just put that in a little pot and let it sort of defrost it slowly in a very low heat. Okay, yeah guys, so excited. I'm going to be making more videos like these. Please subscribe to my channel, because we need to start hitting this metric. Thanks for watching.